Yep, got it in there. I had to pinch the little clip a little bit. I thought it was a little bit loose, so I put it in the vise and give it a pinch and closed her up a little bit. It was like wrestling an anaconda, let me tell you. Well, first I put the wire, over the backside, attached the chain to it, tried to pull it through. Well, first time I pulled it through, there's a bar going over there, and then I hook it around and I go, I've got about this much space. I go, what the heck? I don't remember washing in hot water this chain. Then I get under there and start looking, and well, I'd put it over the bar. Second time I did it, wasn't as bad. I put it over the brake line. They're here and here like this, and the chain has to be above it as it comes on the bottom and around the top. So, of course, I lost all the O-rings, so I've got a lot of rubber O-rings. So I fitted O-rings, and Rap's Garage had mentioned make sure I put O-rings in there, which I did. And then I went ahead and put the clip on. But it was so hard, I ended up having to I went ahead and made these, round those, so you could put them in there, just enough pressure, otherwise the two little shafts wouldn't pop in. So, here comes the neighbor. Oh boy. He usually wants something. So that's how that worked. So I'll end this before it gets too noisy down here. And like I say, if you got to pull it together, use that clip. And that gives you enough space. I'm going to carry those on the bike. And I do have a spare clip, but I'm going to go ahead and reuse this one. And I guess on that note, I will catch you later. Be safe out there. Thanks to everybody that helped. Bye-bye.